Beach Buddy. Hey. Hey, Beach Buddy, come here. There's some pizza boxes. Oh, there's actually pizza in them. Let's find out if I can get you a treat, buddy. There is pizza in it. Oh, man, buddy. You want some pizza? Psst. Oh, yes. Dan is friend to animals. Holy shit, that was fast. How did you even do that? Motherfucker, you crazy. Damn. Come here. Come here. Take a pizza. Take a pizza. Come here. Oh. Jesus. You taking that like a champ. Wow. Well played, sir.
I'd like to thank Kirkland for their generous offer of these
Seagull feasts. Come here, buddy. No, it's okay. It's okay. Look. Look. Let me take a little bit. Nope, that doesn't work. See? Look, see? Come here. See? We're fine. Oh, you're just so cute. Okay, buddy, you ready? I'm not going to leave till you take it from my hand. Look, see? Look, motherfucker, you see the goddamn pizza. Look. Jeez. Take it. Just take it. Just take it. Take it. Take the pizza. I love you, Seagull. Come on. Here. Let's see how close you will get. That is a beautiful seagull. Here, get cheese. Eat it. Eat the fucking cheese. Why do you not love me? I'm feeding you. I'm your god. Whatever. You know what? Whatever. I don't even care. Goodbye, Beach Buddy.